open. What is it? Did Daddy help you? It's a new cup with a straw. Pablo.
I got something blue. Oh.
That's a Pablo. What is it? It's a bubble bath.
Bubble bath. Elmo.
Elmo, bubble bath.
Yay. Okay,
Cool.
Christmas is over.
No, you want to go open presents under the tree? Let's go.
You gotta go change.